Morning, happy Monday. Steve got shit to do. Back on the 2500. We're gonna organize. I got a little bit of organization going on right now, trying to clean up my work area and get reorganized so I can do this more clean and efficiently as I can. Re-ran 2 new wires for the front, maybe temporarily ran, but I may change it. I don't know. I haven't really looked into where I'm gonna mount the strobes, but on the grill definitely. But we'll get to it, show you what we got going on. Keep rolling. This is 3-wire conductor, just 10s. This is cheap Amazon wire really, but it lasts and it's marine grade. Ran one here. I may change that. And then I got my little shorty here for this side. It's just gonna be going right through there to that. And then I'll get the 2 fronts installed, rewire the back, and go from there. I'm gonna stick my little board up here. I saved this little piece of wood just for this. It helps a lot. Yeah, I got me a little workstation. Here we are. All my strobe leads are wired up. I still need to mount my toggle. I'm gonna drill a little hole and mount this toggle. Probably go ahead and mount the leads on the toggle. That way it's just much easier to deal with. And then I can just slip the other ends right over. And we'll show you how that goes. I have my switch all rigged up. I'm just gonna use a step bit to drill this out. This one should do it. I got a next size up if I need it, but this one should do it. These are just cheap little step bits, nothing too expensive. I wear them out all the time. I don't buy the expensive stuff for projects I do. But yeah, I'm gonna drill this out, finish wiring this up, and this side will be done. Well, then we gotta run a ground wire. I'm just gonna eyeball guess this, and I'm gonna go somewhere about right there. It's aluminum. You can take your time with it. Don't go too crazy. It's gonna drill easy. We got through. Just take your time stepping. There's my hole. I'm gonna clean it up, throw a little air on it, put this switch in. Check it out, guys. Switchboard is made. So there's our ground. I just ran it. All of our power is on one side to the strobe, all of our grounds to one side of this, and then these are all our signals. This is going to be our jumper for our toggle switch. It's just a momentary switch, and that'll be what will allow you to change the modes of the strobes. So I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with the ground because I got other stuff to run. So I ran my ground. I haven't loomed it, I haven't zip tied it up. I got other grounds to run with that. But that's what I did, because I'm going to have to run a lot of other grounds for other accessories, and I'm just going to jump off of that terminal strip there, and then I have my one ground straight from the battery, straight to the terminal, short little jump. And then this is where I'll hook up my grounds for my accessories for the back. So I got these little covers. These little covers, they just go on and they protect it, keep you from shorting anything out. This is all Amazon stuff, guys. Amazon. Oop, I dropped the little cat. I'll get that in a second. And you just tighten these little plastic lugs over it. That's it. Once these 3 caps are on, I'm done with this part of the job. You know, besides zip tying that wire, like I said, I'm not gonna do that until I run my other grounds. I can just loom it all together. And I'm gonna start working on wiring the strobe lights to the front of the truck now. Just like that, guys. Pretty simple, clean. I'm gonna loom all this up eventually before I get finished with everything. That's it. Alright guys, these are strobes I'm gonna use. You see, you got 4 wires. Your black is your ground, your red is your power, your white is your signal. That'll be what changes your strobe modes up to that toggle. Greens just all sync together to each other, so you want to make sure all these greens are tied into one another all the way around. So we're just going to go off this chart. Battery ground system, single group, 4 lights in a group. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to wrap it up for the day. I get out of here at 3:30. I got done what I could today. I'm not always on these trucks and stuff 24/7. I'm getting call outs, doing odds and stuff all over the place. But in my little free time at work, this is what I do. I just tinker around with stuff like this, trying to make stuff better.